Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on logging into a web conference with us via Blackboard into our Collaborate web conference. So first thing we'll be using Google Chrome, Safari if you're on a Mac, to open your browser. You can see I've been there before, but let's pretend I haven't. So we're going to go into Google and we are going to search for the learning place, eLearn. So that's E-L-E-A-R-N. And that should bring you up a selection. Hopefully it's this top one here. So it's just eLearn at eq.edu.au. We're going to click on that. It's going to ask for your username and password. Now students, you should know your username and hopefully you remember your password. I am pretending to be Tajan right now. Thanks Tajan. And luckily you can't see his password because I would never show that, and I'll reset it when I'm finished here. So I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm logging in. Hopefully this is where you'll land. You might land on the announcements page that looks like this. If you do that, then you will have trouble opening the menu that you want. So you're going to go over to courses, click on Maroochydore State School Term 2, and then this will open. There is a secret little toggle bar here, and it shuts that menu over there or opens the menu. So if when you go to Maroochydore State School Term 2, you get this view, just take your cursor right over to the far left, hover around there, and this little arrow should pop up and you can open that menu. So then you are going to choose your team. Parents, I'll have one for you. In the information for parents. But right now we're going to go to Tajan's class one because I don't have that there for parents yet. So click students, you'll obviously choose your team. Tap or click on your team and you will see the web conferences that are available. Now if there's nobody there, then there's no point in going in. But we're going to go into this one now to have a look. So we tap on the link, click on the link, and it takes us to the room details. We are going to click on Join Room. Now down in above my taskbar, I got this little pop-up. You might get one that says that you need to download this. Download the Blackboard Collaborate launcher. You'll only need to do that once. Once that's on your computer, then when this little pop-up happens, you're going to right click and say open. You can say always open files of this type if you like, and then you won't need to say that manually, but I leave it like that so I remember that you have to do this. So I click on open. Now, this is the tricky part. You need to wait a second. Don't go clicking around. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking it's not working, but it just has a little lag. So now I've got a window that's popped up that tells me that it's starting the application. Again, I'm not going to do anything until I get this. Yes, I'm going to say I want to run this. That's just my security making sure that I do want this program to run on my computer. So I've clicked run. Now another time of just waiting. Don't go clicking. It's very hard, I know, because we want things to happen immediately, but there we go. Now I have another pop-up window and I know it's happening. That's the one you're looking for, is all the dots. Now, this, if you get this option, choose wireless. It sounds silly, but that's the best one to choose. So there's lots of other options in there, and you might have fast internet, but I want everybody to choose wireless and then click OK. Now I'm in the web conference. So you can see that this is what we call the whiteboard, and the teacher will have some slides there. Over here, it tells me who's in the room. Right now, me pretending to be Tajan, I'm the only one here. But when you come in, when your teachers are here, your teacher's name will be there and your classmates will be there. There's a little chat box here, and when your chat permission is turned on, you'll have a little bar where you can type a chat. You need to check that your headset or your speakers and your microphone are working. To do that, you just click here, this little microphone symbol with the red cog on it. Click on that and follow the instructions. So it's telling me which speakers it's checking. If you have got multiple speakers or headsets plugged in, it'll give you a choice. And I'm going to choose the one choice I have, and I'm going to check by playing.
Welcome to the audio setup wizard. This wizard.
Yes, I could hear her voice. Whoops, sorry about that. I'm going to try again.
Welcome to the audio setup wizard. This wizard.
I could hear her voice, so instead of accidentally clicking no, I'm going to click yes. You see that if I accidentally click no, it just gets me to do it again. So don't worry if that happens to you. I could hear it, so yes. If not, and I click no, it'll give me some other options. Now I'm choosing the microphone, and it's going to ask me to test that. So I'm going to click on record and I'm going to speak. Testing 1, 2, 3. I can see the little green bars are moving, so I know that it's picking up my voice. I'm saying stop, and I'm going to play that back now to see if it picked it up.
Testing 1, 2, 3. I can see the little green bars are moving, so I know.
Okay, I could hear it, so I've stopped, and I'm going to say yes, my speaker volume was okay for my microphone. Okay, I'm done. So I'm ready to go. When my teacher is in here, they will give me all kinds of other things that I can do, and teachers will step you through those, and pretty soon you're going to be experts in using this web conferencing tool. Okay, when the session is finished, you just can go up here and close. There's other ways you can exit, and they're okay too, but this is certainly okay to do. I'm just going to click the close. I'm going to try and click the close. Nope, doesn't want to do it. So, it did. It was just a bit slow. Now I'm back to the room. Now, if my sibling needs to log in, then I might log out of this altogether. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to click that little power symbol, and it says log in as a different user. So now there's where my brother or sister can put in their username and password and get into their web conference. In that space, there will also be lots of information and documents and activities for you as well as the web conferences. But that's what we're starting with so that we can talk to you. Thanks, and I'll see you online.